Good morning, Little Lake Harbor School District families. Miss Dawn here. This week we're going to be kicking off Autism Acceptance Spirit Week. Starting today, we're going to be blowing bubbles for Autism Acceptance. I'm going to show you an easy way how to make your own bubble mixture right at home. First, you're going to need 4 cups of warm water, a 1/4 cup of dish detergent, a splash of vegetable oil, an empty water or soda container, a pair of scissors, a washcloth or sock, and a rubber band. You're going to put your dish detergent and your vegetable oil in your warm water and mix. You're going to need a grown-up's help for this next part. With a pair of scissors, they're going to cut off the bottom of their container. Next, take your washcloth or sock, secure it on the bottom with your rubber band. And you're ready to blow bubbles. You're going to take your container, dip it into your bubble mixture, and blow bubbles for Autism Acceptance. Have fun, boys and girls.